अब हम लेसन रीड करेंगे द कैटरपिलर। कैटरपिलर देख रहे हो, इस पे ट्री के ऊपर में है कैटरपिलर, है ना। द कैटरपिलर, brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry, take your walk to the shady leaf of straw or what not, which may be the chosen spell, not by you, having proud to pray pass by you. Spend and die to life again a butterfly. Okay, thank you. Like, share and subscribe.